Hi, I'm Benjamin Duck. I'm here today to provide you a quick update on the recently released AEM statistics report for two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive tractors, as well as self-propelled combines. As you know, this report provides our members and, in reality, the industry as a whole, not only insight in the monthly retail sales numbers, but also in the underlying trends of the makeup of the market by size and equipment category, as well as their corresponding beginning inventory. Now let's take a look at the numbers. As you can see on the table, small tractors under 40 horsepower came in at 14,276 tractors sold in May. This represents a decrease of 4.2% compared to the retail sales from May last year. It is important to note that the smaller equipment sales segment has been a brighter spot in the market. In April, sales for this segment actually reached an 11-year high for that month. Notably, year-to-date retail sales are still up 4.2% compared to the same period last year. As you can see when we look at the 40 to 100 horsepower two-wheel drive tractors, they followed a similar trends reversal. In May, 5,152 tractors were sold, which was down 13.8% from the previous year. However, year-to-date, the numbers are also down 2.4%. As we have indicated before, many of these tractors of the less than 100 horsepower category are going into hobby farms, livestock production, and landscaping services. Now let's take a look at production ag. In this segment, the downturn continues as we near the end of the first half of 2015. Looking at more than 100 horsepower two-wheel drive tractors declined 29.5%, four-wheel drive tractors declined 44.4%, and the self-propelled combines dropped 31.4%. As you know, sales for these larger pieces of farm equipment are closely tied to farm income, and with the expected high yield crops in North America this year, we can expect commodity prices to remain low. On a more positive note, we continue to hear talks in Washington about Section 179, which may or may not boost sales later on in the year. Now, next to farm income, another important part of the equation for the ag downturn is the inventory levels for new and used equipment and how they are clogging up pipelines in the market. Let's take a look at those trends. Overall, when we look at retail sales inventory levels, they have continued to inch up. And we feel that these trends have been driven by the smaller, less than 100 horsepower two-wheel drive tractor segment. When we look at the chart, we can see that when we break out the larger 100 horsepower plus two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive tractors, we can see a significant reduction in beginning inventories at dealership level in the past 7 to 9 months. Two-wheel drive 100 horsepower plus and four-wheel drive farm tractors declined 20% and 44% from their previous peak in October 2014 respectively. Looking at the results of our quarterly survey, we can also see that compared to the fourth quarter of 2014, inventories have been decreasing slowly, with a majority of respondents indicating stability. Thank you for your time. If you're looking for more information, please visit our website, aem.org/agreports. We'll see you next month for the June numbers.